An excellent toy for children as young as 15 months but through the elementary school age is the LeapFrog Fridge Phonics. It's magnetic. It attaches to any magnetic surface, such as a refrigerator or a metal door. Every letter of the alphabet comes with also a magnetic piece as well. When you place the letter inside and push the button, it'll tell you what letter it is and what isolated sound that letter makes. It's an excellent toy for kids that are working on developing their language sounds and imitation. It's also good for children that may have an articulation disorder and are having a hard time developing isolated sounds. It's also great for kids that are learning to stand or working on their balance as they stand up against the refrigerator, and it's also great for them to also work on their fine motor skills as well as they manipulate the pieces to fit inside the console. You can find this toy at www.leapfrog.com or www.toyqueen.wordpress.com.